Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Friday, July 19, 2024. It is all about domesticity or business done at home, or a business owned by a family. You are now thinking of having other source of income, and the best way to do it is in your home. There will be chances for you to have business being done at home. In these modern times, many are into selling, but they have no physical store. They just do it at home. Ang horoscope po natin ngayong araw na ito ng Hulyo 19, 2024, araw ng Biyernes, ay may kinalaman sa gagawin sa bahay. Pwedeng hanap buhay. Marami na sa panahon natin ngayon ang mga nasa pagbebenta, pero hindi naman sila kumukuha ng physical store. Ang mga items nila for sale ay nandun lamang sa kanilang bahay. Kaya nga, makiuso ka. Dahil iyon ang chances mo